this land. Ebuka, there is too much pride in you. You expose people that come for counseling. You just disgrace families. Everything you will be doing it there. Marketing your business. You are marketing your business. And after that, have you asked them, is this settled? It cannot be settled for the fact everything has been opened. That marriage cannot work. The love will not be there again. My dear, think about it. Think it wise. And that's why I make you to challenge the authority. Who gave you the chance to do this thing? You want to challenge him. You have connection. Connection, my foot. Ebu's. Ebu's, Ebu's. Ebu's, Ebu's. How far? How you there? I say, make me and you come talk and make we reason together. That is the word of God. Say, let us reason together. Now I make you see me now. I want make you come, make we reason together. Ebu's, my dear. You are this thing, your congregation, the largest congregation, oh. No be small thing, oh. Thank God for you. Calvary greeting here. I say, I tell you, say, what did they happen now? As I hear say, you go do this thing. You went to Enugu for crusade. Understand? As you reach there, and they lock the door. They lock the gate, and your members are outside waiting for you until you come. Make call, make call. You be man, oh. I hear say you get connections here and there. You call our man Soludo. Then after you call Soludo finish, you call another person. Then you first of all call the governor. He no agree pick your call. He no do well. Or whether in the busy, no. He no agree pick your call. Later you call Akpabio. Connection no be here. Level na water. Ebus. So after the crusade now, they let her open the gate after the crusade. You went and call out the governor, that is Mba, to come and answer you. Maybe you summon him, allegedly. Say, make him come and tell you reason why he locked that gate. And he wasted your time, maybe now. Ebu say, have you met the man before you start that crusade for that place? Because you know, say the congregation no be small thing. Do you discuss with the security officers and not only you went to the people in charge of the stadium, you went to them alone. And you know that you are going to host the largest congregation there. You supposed to discuss with this thing now. Talk with the governor now. Bible where you did it, they not tell you, say give honor to whom honor is due. At least even one for if you say man, then you now call him out because in what way respect. And they will any little atom. That is no atom of a Christian life in you. There are things that makes up a Christian. The reason why people call them Christians. I never see that in you. You want to show your members that you are well to do. That is why you are making call up and down. And after that, you want to challenge the man in authority. The same Bible says, respect the people in authority. You for meet them, come and find way, go meet them, not talk man to man. Not be for you to go say you want challenge him. You call him, I'm not saying, that is challenge anyway. You now call him out to tell you the reason why he locked the stadium. Understand? Maybe you don't settle and everything. Maybe here, because now here in Africa now, for other countries, even when I was in deeper life, the pastor there, when he want to host something for Anambra State, he used to see Obi and there and everything. He agreed with them, both security purpose and everything, so that he not saying the host largest congregation, both crusade. For more about yourself, they would like to see the governor or take permission from them. Your own, okay, as everything don't go like that, he don't call them everything. You for Kukuma enter. There are fruit of the spirit, which I know. Humbleness, meekness, gentleness, long suffering. Okay. These are the spirit of the fruit of the spirit. If that fruit is not in you, my dear, you are not a Christian. You just they make money. Because it's those people that are there, those members, those congregations, everybody that is there, they are looking onto you. Anything you do, if you any behavior, anything you participate, they would like to do like that because to them they see you as the next Messiah. They say our pastor used to do like that. There is nothing there. There is nothing there. Whatever you do, they would like to. You will be a perfect example because Bible says that is people are looking at us. No time as Christians, they are looking at us, the way we live our life and whatever our conduct. They are looking at us to know how we behave, and they will do exactly as their teacher. Understand? You be evangelist, I think. Your people and your congregation will like to look at you because you are their teacher. Understand? So a teacher supposed to go with example. Not be this kind of thing what you do. You lead with example. I know say that time when that thing happen. Bible call it time of adversity. That is time of trial. And this time of trial is time of challenge. And that time, you suppose people are looking at you to know what you will do. Understand? That is why they are waiting outside. When the stadium is locked up, but they are still there outside waiting for, because they know say you come. When you come, everybody's looking onto you. Thank God you make your call as a man, we get connection. Understand? But as you enter, finish everything, you forgot no talk. They know say na humble. And you surrender everything in your life unto God, that you don't want to fight, you don't want to quarrel, you don't want to. They will know that there are things. Oh, when you're a weapon, that is the life of Christian. It's not everything. You got drag. No. You got drag. You got talk about that you have power. You have the power. You have authority. This is you. Understand? That is why you want to challenge the governor. And that one, the number one sin where you don't commit. If you don't know now, no, I'm not say that one you fell him woefully. You need to go and tell the man sorry. And if you tell him sorry, no, now you sabi. Make a note. Be say I tell you say me go apologize. I beg as I talk, no, help me share him so that he go reach him. There are fruit of the spirit. Bible says there had mal and no be no hage so the meek we inherit the earth. That is the good things of God. People that are meek in spirit, people that are humble, say they will hold it. But you, too much pride is in you. Can't you see Herod? Immediately Herod talk. Hey, people say, oh, this is the voice of God. He talk like, oh, this is the voice of God. God no waste time. You see, my God, God come finish him for the altar. Because we're there for the time of grace. And this time of grace, I'm telling you, the wrath of God is coming upon men. The marriage is people open church today to make money. When I just open them just to make money. Even this thing is paying and the money. Everywhere when let's check the level of this thing, the congregation, the largest congregation. You know, say you be big man, you don't make money. Now give you the audacity to challenge this thing, the person in authority, the man in authority, which is the governor. As everything don't go for closed mouth, as your people are watching, even whatever happened to them, they will be like, they will say, let me endure, because my master used to endure. Even insult, even humiliate, whatever. When people insult and do whatever, and everybody's looking at you to know what you do, you humble yourself. And that thing is a lesson to you, people that are looking at you. Your congregation, they say, but even when you slap them, they will humble. That is the life of Christian. Christian look unto God for revenge, for vengeance, to fight. There is a time they come to Odumeje. Odumeje left everything. They demolished everything. There is one thing I know about that man. He said, if he do, say he go do over. But let God take control. I don't know say Odumeje go do that kind of thing that time. I don't know say Odumeje fit do that kind of thing that time. He said, let God take control. Let God fight for me. To revenge is not in your hand. It's in the hand of the Lord. Understand, my dear? So that side, withdraw that matter. Come back home. Come back. God will fight for you. If you're a genuine Christian, God will fight for you when you know say you are working for him. That is God. You don't need to fight for God. Don't fight to this war for God. God is there to fight the war for you. And another thing is this. People, you know, so those congregations where they are coming with different burdens, with different pains, with different things that is troubling them in their hearts. And they want to see the man of God because they are going there today. As Hannah went to Shiloh, said, today God will visit me. And he's coming back with testimony. Those people, they believe they are coming back with testimony. And different people are coming with all the burdens in their hearts. My dear, you're supposed to attend to them very well. You are a counselor. You don't need to disgrace people. There is one thing I saw there. I saw one man. I don't know whether or that day, but I used to see your program. I don't like that the way you do. I don't know. Are you serving God? Are you serving man? Are you serving for people to see you as a man of God? May everybody see you. Say you be man of God. You can't add more injury to people's pain. That man came to you with the wife. Tell you, say, see your wife. Say, you know, they like to stay with him. In marry him, they never born picking. Anytime when you go close to the woman know they agree. So you go beg before the woman go allow him. Even the woman, they tell him, they talk him, say, now if you see another man, now that time when you go get feeling. But if you see his husband, you know they get that feeling. The husband, they talk that thing and say, if you near him, you still say, near him to do what? Also to stay as man and woman. And as man and woman, what be that and mention it? Also to give them people come they laugh. This is something that is supposed to go inside. Carry them, that is counseling. They come for counseling. You talk to the wife and talk to the husband. You open everything. And now, when they go there, they look counseling for that man. Short, how that thing will take off? You should do no ma. You should do no ma. If you announce some carry microphone, announce some for yourself, than coming to this man. You foresee person will go give you better counseling. He said, talk that thing where I want you. Talk that thing. But you know what the man is talking. He's talking as a mature person. You are a mature person, you are not a actor. You're supposed to understand that man. Look at the way you are doing. You are just disgracing that family. Do you think that after the counseling, that woman will still stay with that man? No, it will not work. The marriage, you just have scattered it. The whole world is seeing everything. I'm not there, but I saw everything. You see? I have seen you several times. This thing that happened to you, this thing that happened to you. No. My dear, you fell woefully. Are you with us? Are you on the Lord's side? Ebuka Obi, I'm asking you this question. I beg, help me share this thing. Ebuka Obi, you are not on the Lord's side. You are just wasting your time. You are making your money in the name of God. Please come back home. Anytime when people talk evil, your name must enter. Anytime when there is a allegation or whatever, your name must be there. My dear, are you the only man of God? And see the pride in you. See pride. This pride now make Moses not reach the promised land. Don't say Moses na stammerer. And that Moses not committed this kind of evil where you they commit now. The Moses is a stammerer. Into people say we need water, you know disturbance. People, members, they worry. He said, God, give the make will give you water. Can you know many will give you water? He now already God said he cannot share his glory with any man. That is end, and he calls it. Give a Obioma 1 million Okuta. Okuta of Christ. That rock is Jesus. That rock is Jesus. He is the only one. You hit him. You hit them with annoyance, and that annoyance God understand. Say no be your fault, but not the fault of the members. He say because of this you will not go unpunished. He punished him that even the grave nobody ever seen. The man that suffered a lot of challenges from the hand of Pharaoh, he did not enter that land, that promised land. Ebuka, there is too much pride in you. You expose people that come for counseling. You just disgrace families. Everything you will be doing it there. Marketing your business. You are marketing your business. And after that, have you asked them, is this settled? It cannot be settled for the fact everything has been opened. That marriage cannot work. The love will not be there again. My dear, think about it. Think it wise. And that's pride now make you to challenge the authority. Who gave you the chance to do this thing? You want to challenge him. You have connection. Connection, my foot.